Okay, right now. Come on. Camarillo Museum. Very nice. Privately owned.
You know what I find?
What's that?
Where's your MLS?
533, Radio Telegraph. Radio Telegraph.
I like that one. There you go. 1978. That's my friend has.
Would you like to see my badge?
Wow, look at this. This is something.
Yes.
It won something.
Beautiful. Lawrence of Arabia. Beautiful. Oh yeah. The old dirt bikes. Suzuki's. Six-cylinder.
10 years ago, they were $2,000. Now
Wires and stuff on it. Well, behind the curtain.
Just one guy's collection. Which one's that?
I haven't seen them yet.
Oh, also that.
Really, really interesting. Never seen one in a while. It's a 80. Right, what we do is we go, my ride is called Free Growers. We more parking up there, high, gas up, down through 33, hit Rays Creek, then down to New Calumet over to Pismo. And then the actual event starts at 9.
Hello. A lot of Ducatis. What do you think?
Love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
What year is it?
Probably anywhere about 73, maybe 73, 74-ish.
Keep knocking me. Oh, it's 73.
There you go.
That's a good guess. Very good.
I'll take it.
Yeah, you made 1 year and they couldn't give them away when they built them.
Really? Are they worth a lot now?
Yes.
I'll take it.
Of course, in England, you'd have to rob you'd have to kill someone because they're all export models. You know, it was all coming your way and you didn't want it? Good. Bring them all
Give
back.
them away. They thought they were too freaky.
I know.
They're cool.
I remember I was a kid, couldn't give them away. They sat in dealership, showrooms for months and months.
Sound at the time.
Yeah.
Still is.
Start it up.
Let's give it a kick. It's pure
They all run, he said. Oh, yeah. old school. Baby.
Lord, you don't have to go. Lord, I paid my bags down that road I'm going. I said, baby, honey, what's wrong with you? Yes, baby, honey, what's wrong with you? Honey, yeah, you don't
Hi, there you have it. It's a private collection here in Camarillo. Pretty damn awesome.